Number 3 has just popped out back there. I don't know if you can see it. Back there. Number 3. Number 1 and 2 are in the wrong place entirely. Here. That's where you want to be. That's where the money is, right there, kid. Oh. Come on. Right here. Come here, little crazy one. Come here. Oh, right here. Hey. Here. There we go. Oh, there's the back one. Number 3's a big old pig. Scoot the camera around so you can see.
How did you know they were realize that they were being born? Were you down here?
Yeah.
Because Andrew said so.
No, Andrew says I think she's in labor. I'm like, I don't think she is in labor because her belly, but she was like walking all around and moving. So we went and got this, and we put this over to this, and she came over there, and but her belly wasn't contracting at all.
There you go.
And so
There you go, another one.
then we were walking over here, and I looked over, and there was this little black shiny thing squirted out.
There you go, buddy. This third one seems like his head's bigger. Come on. Come on, easy. Oh, poor mama. Yeah. What she's doing, but there's a little Blair Witchy project there, I'm afraid, as I leap to get out of the way. She just sat down on them.
They're
All three of them out there? Okay, good. All right. Okay. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Number 4. He's a good girl. This one seems to have latched on pretty good.
Yeah.
I think that's number 1.
Yeah. Number 2 had small mucus on her.
So I'm inside Chloe's nest here. The piglets all frantically looking for teats. Not very experienced at finding them, but they know what to do as soon as they come out. They are looking for a teat and sucking. This one here is number 2. And that's number 1 over there.
That's right, Elvis, you celebrate.
You know, I think the 3rd one over here is the biggest one so far, Lori. It's the biggest one so far. Still covered in the cellophane, dragging his umbilical cord behind him. Oh yeah. All frantically looking for a teat, but not finding it. Alright, I'll sign off here and get into the shot. This video is already up to like 6 minutes.